Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Dumebi, D to the U to the M to the B E I. Okay, I don't think I spelled my name well. But whatever, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, you're at the right place. Like, what took you so long? Now, hit the subscribe button right below this video. Oh my god, I'm so hyped. Hit the subscribe button below this video and join my big happy family. Like, there's no number limit to this family. Just keep joining. Let's be growing bigger and happier, and let's succeed and let our edges grow and let our skin glow, and you know what I'm talking about? Yeah. So if you're already a subscriber, you're my G, you're my family, welcome once again. You know how we do it. So today's video is basically a date makeup tutorial. Yes, we're going on a date. Do you know how you want to go on a date and you know he's just going to be looking at you and you want him to just look into your eyes and you guys are just going to have that moment that happens in Hollywood movies, like, ooh, you're the one I've been waiting for the rest of my life. That kind of thing. So this makeup tutorial is basically us slaying, but looking like we didn't put in too much effort, looking like we were born with it. And yeah, for those of you who were wondering, my hair, thank you, I know it's gorgeous. I have a tutorial on how I made this hair. You guys check it out. That is the link up there. Do check it out and show me some love. And yeah, this video is actually a collaboration with my girl Dilia's Empire. Dilia is like actually one of the people that inspires me here on YouTube. You guys should check her out. And like when she approached me about this collaboration, I was really ecstatic, but I didn't show it as a bad guy that I am. So you guys check her out, and without much ado, let's just get right into the tutorial. So guys, the first thing that I'm doing is that I'm going to be filling in my brows, and the brow pencil I'm using is called Brow BQ by Ovara Cosmetics, and I'm using the shade dark brown to just fill in my brows. And then to clean up my brows, I'm going to be using the Elegant Pro Conceal in Fawn to clean the bottom part, and then above I'll be using my foundation. So you do this because you want the top of your brows to look natural, and well, cleaning the top of my brows, it didn't look natural because apparently there was still some of the light shade of concealer left on it. But just for you guys to know, when you're doing this, use your foundation. You should clean the brush properly and then use your foundation so that you don't have the top part looking light, because it can be a little bit harder to blend into your foundation. So now I used the Ferrarucci Brow Gel Mascara to just set my brows and to tint them a bit to make them slightly brighter. Then to prime my eyes, I used that same Elegant Pro Conceal in Fawn to just place all over my eyes, and now I'm blending it in using an eyeshadow brush. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going into my Beyond Beauty gel liner in the shade brown. So you can use a brown lipstick for this shade, so for this step. So because I wanted to do like that smoky effect, that's why I used this. So this is going to act as a base for any eyeshadow that I'm going to be placing. Now for my eyeshadow, I'm going to my Masquerade palette by Juvia and just taking that slightly orange shade there and placing it all over the brown that I placed initially. Then I'm taking that pink shade there from that same palette and then using it to just slightly smoke out and then like transition from that orange. So now I'm going into my powder. You want to take a powder shade that is slightly lighter than you, or an eyeshadow shade that is like skin tone color but slightly lighter than you, to just blend the sharp edges. Then now I'm going back into my Elegant Pro Conceal to just pop right in the middle of my eyes to create like a halo effect. Then I'm taking that bronzy shade right there. It's kind of like bronzy stroke copper, kind of like that shade. I'm just popping it in with my fingers. Then going back to that same brown shade that I used initially, I just, you know, like blended the edges of the halo in the middle. Then I used a gold shade to just highlight my brow bone. So now I'm just going to be lining my eyes using my Beyond Beauty gel liner. Now this is a very simple eyeshadow look, but I didn't want to do a lot of drama because you're going on a date and, you know, you just want to look good, or that was the look I was going for in this case. So now for a pop of color, I'm just using a blue pencil to line my waterline, and now I'm popping on my lashes. And this is a trick that you can do if you feel like your liner is not straight after popping on your lashes. You can go back over to line your eyes, and your lashes after they are being applied can act as a guide, so your line will even be more straight. So you can always do this whenever you do your makeup. And now for my foundation, I'm going into the Beyond Beauty foundation in the shade 204. Now there's something about when I do my videos, depending on the intensity of the light, sometimes there tends to be some flashback in the foundation. I think that was what was happening here. So just in case you guys were wondering, it is actually my foundation shade. So now the concealer that I'm using is the Elegant Pro in Chestnut, and what I'm doing is that I apply it on one side and I blend, I apply it on the other eye and I blend, I apply it in my forehead and I blend. Like, I'm not applying it all at once before blending. I'm doing this because sometimes before, like if you feel like you're using a concealer that dries too fast, you you may want to do this step. And if you feel like you have a lot of fine lines, you may want to do it this way, because as you're applying your blending immediately, the concealer won't have time to settle into your fine lines and sometimes becoming difficult to blend. So now, just to further lighten my direct under eye area, I went into a slightly lighter foundation. I think that's the Ele Girl in Fawn, with a tiny eyeshadow blending brush, just to brighten that part that is usually darkest, that lower part of my eye that is usually darkest. Then now I'm setting the highlighted areas using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I'm just using that small brush so that I can place it exactly where I need it, because I really wanted to give my eyes a lift. So I'm just setting all over, and now it's time for lipsticks. For the lipstick, I'm using a brown pencil. Normally you can use any brown pencil that you could usually use for your brows for this. Then the lipstick that I'm using is from Morphe, and this is their lip stain in Hot Shots. So I'm just lining my lips, and then I'm placing the lipstick all over my lips. So now, just to give it a little bit more pizzazz, I'm applying some lip gloss. I think I'm really loving glosses these days. So I just blended that right in, and now I want to powder my face. I'm going into my Image Cosmetics powder palette and just brushing off the highlights, the setting powder. I'm sorry. That's me. This is the regular Dumebi. She's always listening to music or dancing while doing makeup. So you guys, if you haven't watched my videos before, welcome to my world. So now I'm going to be contouring my face using the Beyond Beauty Face Definer. So I'm just taking that dark shade there. And this is a trick I usually do. If I feel like after contouring my face, I still feel like my face is still looking a little bit too light for my liking, I take that contour shade and lightly just brush it all over the highlighted area so that I could tone it down a bit. So you could always use this trick if you feel like your face is looking way lighter than your body. And I just contoured my nose. I'm just applying powder all over my neck. You should know that your powder also goes on your neck and your ear so that everything blends and looks more natural. So also from that Beyond Beauty face definer kit, I'm taking their glow just to glow up my face. Everything is subtle, guys. This look is wearable. This is even the kind of look you can wear to work. But if you're going to wear this to work, of course, you know you're going to skip the blue eyeliner, and your lashes should probably be more natural. So this is one of those easy, I didn't put in too much effort, but I'm glam kind of look. So now for my blush, I'm just applying that pink shade, and I actually got a little bit too heavy-handed, but don't worry. If you're heavy-handed with your brush, just go back with your blush, just go back in with your powder brush and fluff around, and it's powder, so the excess always falls out and comes off. So now to make my blue shade pop a little more, I'm going into the Juvia shade and taking that really light blue shade they have there with a small brush to just really place over the blue liner to make it pop. And I did my bottom lashes using mascara, and I'm setting my face, and this is the whole thing, like really easy. You can achieve this so easily, and this can work for both lighter skin ladies and darker skin ladies like me. And this is me feeling myself ready to go on my date. You guys watch to the end because I did a little dancing, and believe me, you want to see that. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. So this is my full outfit. This is like a play suit. I didn't show you guys my legs because my legs, oh my god, my feet were looking so ratchet, my nails were not done, and I'm like, no, I can't let them see this. So this is just me feeling myself, and I put on some hoop earrings, you know, like black girls and hoop earrings. I match made in heaven. And if you want to see the tutorial on how I did this braids, be sure to check the description box, it is there. And you guys leave me a comment, like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you guys in my next one. And also be sure to check out Dilia's Empire's video. She's awesome. I'll see you guys. Bye.